Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails, and today I'm so excited to demonstrate for you how to use Sculpt over the top of nail tips. Now let's get started. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with peach or gardenia. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Remove the polish with fast-acting polish remover available in peach or gardenia. Etch the nail with the 100 grit purple Terminator etcher. Go with the way the nail grows. Remove all the shine on the nail. Push back the cuticle. Put little scratches in the nail. Properly etching the nail eliminates 75% of all lifting. Go with the way the nail grows. Push back the cuticle with the tritium stone. Make sure there's no skin grown up on the nail. If there's any skin on the nail, this can also cause lifting. Dust off the nail with the plastic manicure brush. I will be using the pre-etched natural square nail tips. The entire tip is pre-etched. There's no tip preparation, and this will save you 15 minutes on application. Now the size I'm going to be using is a number 4, and I make sure that the tip covers from side to side. It's better to have your tip a little bit too big than too small, and if it is a little bit big, you can always file the edges a little bit. But if it's too small, you're going to have a gap. But this fits perfect. I will be using Tip and Repair nail glue. I apply the glue to the well. Then I tap it off to remove any excess glue. Then I place the tip onto the nail until it's secure. Clip the tip to your desired length. I will be shaping the tip with the long-lasting 180 zebra, and I will be doing a tapered square. So I'm going to bring in the edge, bring in the tip, angle it in. Same thing to the other side. Get my shape. You want to get your shape on your tip before you apply your sculpt. So get your desired shape and your length. Get the tip flush with the natural nail. Get nice and smooth, especially over in these little edges. You don't want it sticking up. You don't need to etch or do anything to the tip. It's just smoothing your seam because the nail's already etched and prepared for you. So now the nail's ready to apply your sculpt. Apply non-lifting nail primer to the natural nail. This kills the germs on the nail and dries out the oils on the nail. You don't need to prime the tip, only the natural nail, and let it dry. Apply Stuck-on-You Bonder Gel Base to the entire nail, including the tip. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Pour a few drops of Shape It Up into a glass dapping dish. I will be using Natural Clear Sculpt and Acrylic Gel Hybrid. The way to determine what size bead to use is to make the bead as long as the free edge. Then take the point of your orange wood stick handle, scoop it out, place the rounded edge towards the cuticle, and then moisten your brush in the Shape It Up, and start patting your sculpt. Angle your brush like a pencil, and get your cuticle area exactly how you like it. Get it nice and smooth, flush with the natural nail, pat from side to side, from side to side. Make sure you go all the way into the side wall here, from side to side. Then you can start stroking it out, pull, just stroke it out, pat it across. Make sure you cover your sides. Get a little more Shape It Up if you need it, if your brush gets a little dry. Just even up your tip. Do a full cure, 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the surface with Clean It and a towelette. I will be filing the nail in 5 steps using the long-lasting 180 Zebra. My first step is the left side, straight out from the nail groove. File the nail straight out from the nail groove on the right. The third step is the tip of the free edge. This is going to be a square, so I go straight across. Step number 4 is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Bevel down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Make sure to get the sculpt flush with the natural nail. Really easy to file. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Nice long strokes. It's like a horseshoe pattern. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. The 5th step in filing is turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks, and you want to make sure it looks great from their angle. Buff the nail with the clean finish buffing file. Nice long strokes. Get it nice and smooth around the cuticle area. Buff the entire nail. Have the client wash their hands with antibacterial soft soak and a plastic manicure brush. I will be using Color Grip Air Dry Base Coat. Apply your Color Grip in nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. I will be using nail lacquer, so I put polish remover inside a glass dapping dish so I can clean off the skin. I will be using XO Beige nail lacquer. When using nail lacquer, always make sure you have enough polish on your brush. Dip your brush all the way in, wipe away from you, get the ball of polish on the tip of the brush, place this down at the cuticle area, and nice long strokes. Never use short strokes, use nice long strokes. Cap the tip. If you need to clean up around the cuticle, it's really easy. Just get a little brush and polish remover. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Again, nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Now I'm going to apply Z-coat, a high gloss non-yellowing top coat. Again, nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Now we have natural clear sculpt over a natural pre-etched tip with XO beige nail lacquer. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.